Okay, this video follows on from the drawing introduction tutorial video. So if you haven't yet completed that one, I suggest you do so. All I'm going to show you here is how to create a new drawing and import a template file and add your views to it. I'm not going to go over how to add dimensions, projected views and all that, because that is included in the other video. There's a link to that other video in the description below. So if we've got a model that we've created, we often need to create a drawing where we can then add dimensions, views of this model for printing or for other reasons. So in order to do that, what we need to create down here on the little plus insert new element, we need to create a drawing. And what Onshape does is it then looks for templates. So a template is going to include things like the border, it's going to include settings like millimeters, whether we're laying it out in third angle, first angle projection and all that. So we've created a couple of templates that you can use in school that are set up for our use, but in order to get them you need to download them from the public space. So you've used that a few times. I'm going to quickly show you where we can get it from, how we can create a copy, and then once you've done that you can use that template. So the one we're looking for is this one here. It's called GGS template May 22. So if I just get out of that for a minute, so if we go to our Onshape home screen, go to public, and we're going to search there for GGS template May 22. So there's no space. May 22. Now that's the most recent one when I have created the video. Check the description below the video for any updates to that. So you're making sure you're getting the most recent version of the template. Once you've got it, open it up. You'll need to create a copy. Again, because I own this file, I don't get the little button that says read only, create a copy. Little picture will pop up just on screen to show you what it looks like. So if you select that little blue button, you can create a copy. If for some reason that isn't visible, then the three lines and copy workspace. Once you've done that, give it a suitable name, create copy, and I'm not going to do another copy because I have plenty. Create a copy and then wait until that's done its little whirly wheel, and that will generate a version of that template file that you can use. When it's all stopped doing its thing, go back to the document that you want to create your drawing in. So this is a pencil block one I'm looking at, so I'm opening that back up. Now in here, if we go back to the insert new element, little plus sign on the bottom left, create drawing, and now if you change the option here, if you go to created by me, because you've now got a copy of that template file in your Onshape space, when you hit created by me you should get the template appearing in this list. Now you've probably got three. I've got a whole load because I've made various different models. The three you're looking at, they will have underneath the document title, it'll say GGS template May. So 1, 2, 3. So there's three different versions. One of them has got a bigger sort of border in the bottom right corner. This one's got one in the a little stacked up one. This is in the top corner. So pick whichever one you like. If you don't like it, you can delete the tab and insert the new one. I'm going to run with this one here, the stacked bottom right. Select it and press OK. Once that's loaded, you can start adding views. So again, as I said, if you don't like it, you can just right click on the tab here, delete it, and then go again, insert drawing, and select a different one. When you first open it up, it automatically opens with the insert view option. So if that's the one you want to insert, you can just select the part, and then you can drop in the views as you know how to do from previous tutorial videos. If that is not the one you want, then obviously you'll need to then go to insert view command up here, insert, and then find what other object or model rather is in this space that you want to add. So I'm not going to dwell on that any further. If you need help with adding the sizes, the view labels and everything else to complete that drawing, as I said, go and watch the other video that shows you how to do all that.